NordLayer API automation for large enterprises, capabilities, REST APIs and webhooks for user or group management, gateway and network configuration, SCIM or SO provisioning, and session or audit retrieval. Custom integrations webhooks to trigger automated actions, disconnect users, revoke sessions from security tools, agent, deployment integrations, MSP tools like Acronis and Endpoint, management APIs to scale agent install or config, recommended enterprise automation patterns. 1. Identity first. Automation. Use SCIM plus SSO to provision or deprovision users and map groups. NordLayer roles. Automate via EP Okta or Entra or Jump Cloud. 2. CI or CD for network config, store gateway, cloud LAN, and firewall. Rules in IAC repo. Apply changes via NordLayer API with PR reviews and automated tests. Driven plus validation. 3. Incident automation. Integrate SIEM or EDR to call NordLayer custom integrations webhook to instantly disconnect compromised devices, revoke tokens, or quarantine users. 4. Fleet orchestration. Combine agent deployment, APIs with endpoint management mispiration or MDM for mass installs, health checks, and automated remediation, reinstall, reboot. 5. Observability compliance, pull session or audit logs via API into central SIEM or log store. Apply retention, alerting, and automated evidence export for compliance requests. Best practices. Use service accounts with scoped API tokens. Rotate tokens regularly and store in a secrets vault. Rate limit and retry logic. Implement exponential backoff and idempotency for bulk operations. Maintain a break glass admin account not managed by automation or SCIM. Test automation in a staging tenant or gateway. Run tabletop rollback drills, encrypt API traffic end-to-end, and restrict webhook IPs via allow lists. Log all automation actions and tie them to change tickets. Auditability, typical automation architecture, high level. Orchestration layer, Terraform or Ansible, plus CI GitHub Actions or GitLab. CI Event Bus, SIEM or EDR, security orchestration, SOAR triggers, call. NordLayer webhooks or API, Secrets Vault, HashiCorp Vault or Azure Key. Vault for tokens, observability, Central SIEM Splunk or Elastic. Ingests NordLayer audit logs and webhook events. Starter automation checklist, enable API plus generate scope tokens. Configure custom integrations, webhooks, and IP allow list. Connect, SCIM with AP and test user lifecycle automation. Script agent deployment via mispiration or MDM plus NordLayer agent APIs. Build SIEM ingestion of audit or session logs. Create SOAR playbooks for compromise response, disconnect plus revoke.